Hello people, in this video I want to show you how to play any Android game on your laptop PC. So go to Google, type BlueStacks 5, download, open file location and install. Mine is already installed, but yes, and you go next, like any other software. So I'll launch. After install, you must connect your Google Play account. Loading. Okay, so now I have access to the Play Store. Here I can download any app I want. Anything, even books. You want to go back, you have here the home button. Those here are the apps I installed. Okay, let's say I want to play Candy Crush. This is an Android mobile game. Loading. Play. You want to play something else? You don't need to exit. You go home and pick other app, game. Google Play Books. You want to download the book? There it is. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Bye.